Hello friends, welcome to Vikas Savant's Academy Vedic Maths. Today is day 14 and today's video is here for you. In today's video, we are going to see a division technique. Okay? In this division technique, let's see how to divide any number by 5. How to divide any number by 5. So in today's division technique, it will be when divisor is 5. Okay. Today's technique will be about when divisor is 5. Let's see first example. If I have a number 248 divided by 5. If I have 248 divided by 5. In our traditional method we do it this way, right? And we start thinking 5's table and then we go on dividing and it becomes very lengthy, and then you have to remember how to subtract, what to do, and many things, like lot of things you need to remember and carry out a long calculation on your pen, on your paper with pen, right? Here for this number to divide, no calculation, nothing is required. Only you need to do is just multiply the numerator, that is 248 by 2. Just multiply this number by 2. And what you will get? Let's see what we get. 8 to the 16. Yeah, we can do it very quickly by how? By thinking that this is what place value system will go by that. 200 into 2, 400, 2 into 40, 80, and 2 into 8, 16. So what do I get? 496. But is this the answer? Is 496 the answer? No, my friends. 496 is not the answer. Because, see, this number, if you know the divisibility rules, in that the number should be ending with 0 or 5. That number is only divisible by 5. So here this number is ending with 8. So this number is not fully divisible by 5. So what we'll do, we are dividing by 5. So we'll add a decimal point after one digit from the right hand side. And now this 49.6 is our answer for this division 248 divided by 5. Let's see one more example. If I have 1246 divided by 5. Yes, 1246 divided by 5. Again the method is same. Multiply it by 2. This is 1000 now. So 2 into 1000 will be 2000. 2 into 200 will be 200. 2 into 40 will be 80. And 2 into 6 will be 12. So here our answer is 2492. And when to give the decimal point? From the right hand side after one number. Because we are having only 5 in the denominator. Only one digit number we are having in the denominator. So we should give decimal point from the right hand side after one digit. Let's see the next. One more example we'll go through. If the number is 2467 divided by 5. Again same thing, multiply this by 2. So we have, this is, we'll be having 4000, then 400 into 2 will be having 800, 60 into 2 will be having 120, and 7 into 2 will be having 14. So this is 4, 3, 9, so 4934. And where should be the decimal point? After one digit. Isn't that easy? See, very simply, we have not divided at all, but find out the answers even in decimal points when the divisor is 5. This way, any number comes your way. If you have to divide that number by 5, carry out this method, and it will be very useful and very time saving trick for you. So stay tuned with us for more such videos, and please do subscribe to our YouTube channel Vikas Sounds Academy, and do not forget to press the bell icon.